Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's April 29th, almost end of the month here. And just a couple economic news releases, but some pretty biggies. We got the personal income for the month of March. So we had a 1.1% growth in the month of February. So we figured it was still kind of grow, but maybe a more modest at 0.4. And it came in below expectations. So people are earning a little bit less than anticipated in the month of March. No, we got the other half. So people are earning now, people are spending. So the month of March. So consumer spending, we had February up 0.7%. We figured it would come down a little bit, and it did come down, but not as bad as we thought it was. So people are still spending a little bit, even though both were soft. And then we got the pending home sales. So we had a negative 1% back in February. We figured it'd come up to about 0.9% and it exceeded that to 1.5%. So really good numbers actually on the pending home sales, even though the personal income and the consumer spending were pretty soft here. Something to keep eye on as we go forward. But also remember the confidence level and sentiment were not so good in March. So we'll see what April brings. Maybe people are feeling, because people are feeling a little bit better, they're spending a little bit more, and hopefully we're making a little bit more money as well. So we'll kind of see what the April numbers come in next month here. So let's take a look at the headline news. So as a result, basically, the stock market was up. They liked the pending home sales, and then obviously they felt that there was some improvement in the other areas, but even though they were a little soft. Let's go look at the bond market. So we started this morning up a little bit higher, even touching the ceiling here. Now it looks like we got a floor of support here at the 104.40, which will help us out to try and boost more higher levels here. But not a huge difference. There's really no difference in the pricing really today, even though we're up about 6 basis points from where we left off on Friday. But keep an eye on this. We do still have that opening gap to close from last week. Remember right here, we had this opening gap here. At some point, most likely it's going to be a good chance they'll at least close at some point. So be very cautious going forward. But right now, rates are a little bit where we left off on Friday. And Friday, of course, was an improvement over on Thursday, even though we had almost 2 weeks of basically same price and across the board there. As you saw this level here, and we just started going upwards. All right, folks. So again, not much difference from Friday's pricing, but it has improved overall from a week ago. Thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful day, and we do have a volatile week this week, so be a little bit cautious this week, especially with the jobs numbers coming later this week on Friday. All right, folks. You guys have a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow.